In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import images in InVideo AI. Whether you're building a quick social post or a polished promo, bringing your own images into the platform is the fastest way to keep your project on brand. I'll walk you through the exact path in the interface, explain what you can expect on screen, and share a few tips so your uploads go smoothly. Start by opening your browser and heading to ai.invideo.io. Take a quick moment to confirm the address in the bar so you know you're on the official site, then let the page load completely for the best experience. On the home page, click Login, usually found at the top right. Sign in with your usual credentials and wait until you land in your workspace. If you use a company or school account, you may see a brief verification step. Once you're in, you should see your projects along with navigation controls. Next, switch to the tab for the project or workspace you want to use. This tab selector sits near the top of the interface and simply brings the editing environment for the item you're working on into focus. If you have multiple projects, pick the one where you want the images to live so everything stays organized. Inside the editor, open the media library. You'll typically find it in the left side panel. Think of this as your asset hub. It's where all your uploads and stock content are stored and ready for reuse across scenes. Within the media library, choose Images. This filters the view to show only stills, which keeps your workspace uncluttered and makes it easier to spot artwork, logos, screenshots, or product photos at a glance. Now click Upload. A file picker will appear so you can select images from your computer. Common formats like JPEG and PNG work well. For the crispest results, aim for clear, high-resolution files and try to match your video's aspect ratio when possible. Descriptive file names like product-front 1080 or brand-all logo white will save time later when you're searching. You can select multiple files at once to speed things up. After confirming, watch for a brief progress indicator. Once it completes, your images will appear as thumbnails in the Images section of the media library, ready to use in your project. If an upload stalls, check your internet connection, try slightly smaller files, or refresh the page and upload again. Keeping your browser up to date also helps with stability. And that's it. You went to ai.invideo.io, logged in, moved to the right tab, opened the media library, filtered to images, and uploaded your files. With your assets in place, you're ready to keep editing confidently, knowing your visuals are organized and easy to access whenever you need them.